friend. If you've recently had weight loss surgery, first of all, congrats on taking this incredible step toward your future. But let's be real for a sec. Life throws challenges at us, and sometimes under stress, we find ourselves sliding back into the old habits, the pre-op habits. Does this sound familiar? If so, you are not alone, and you're definitely in the right place. Today, I want to talk to you about something I know many of us face after weight loss surgery. You hit those stressful life moments and boom, snacks and old habits sneak back in. But here's the thing, we can reset. I've got 3 mindset tips to help you refocus when things feel out of control. So stick with me because every step forward counts, okay? You've got this. Tip number 1 is to recognize the pattern without beating yourself up. Okay, your past habits crept in. That's normal. You're human, and stress has a sneaky way of triggering autopilot behaviors. But remember that your awareness is so powerful. Instead of spiraling with guilt, we've all been there, pause and say, I see what's happening here, and I have the power to shift this. It's about progress, not perfection. Tip number 2 is to use your why as your reset button. Why did you take this huge step toward weight loss surgery? Was it to feel healthier, to keep up with your kids, to rediscover your confidence, to live longer? Write it down somewhere that you can see it every single day. Stress is only temporary, but your why is your anchor. Whenever that stress bubbles up, reconnect with that inner fire. You've worked too hard to give up on you now. And finally, tip number 3 is to switch out your stress snacks for stress strategies. We've all had that moment where the chips, or in my case, chocolate chip cookies, are calling our name in a stressful situation as a comfort food. But here's the game changer I've learned over the years of mindset work. Instead of reaching for that snack first, ask yourself, what do I really need right now? Do you need a moment of deep breathing, of rest? Do you need an outside time, a 2-minute walk to clear your head? My favorite is a bubble bath. Do you just maybe need a little music to change the vibe? Find a stress strategy that feeds your soul instead of feeding your old habits. That's the key. Remember, this is not about never slipping up. That's impossible, okay? This is about how quickly you reset and lean in with love for yourself. Your mindset is everything in the post-op success game. You've got the tools, the strength, and the drive to handle this. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself day by day. And guess what? I am here cheering you on every step of the way. If this resonated with you, will you hit that follow button for more mindset tips and encouragement? We're in this together, and I can't wait to keep supporting you. You've got this, and I love you.